Hi, so I'm Fiona and I'm here today to discuss TRE for sexual health. So, how we can use this beautiful somatic process or mechanism in the body to move towards sexual freedom. So, TRE stands for trauma or tension release exercises, and I want to be quite clear here that for most of us, we think that sexual trauma is sexual abuse or rape or something quite violent or malicious or sinister. And actually, it doesn't have to be. So for some of us, it can be from a simple intervention like a cervical examination when we're 15 or 16 years old. It can be from perhaps going to an STD, a sexually transmitted disease clinic, for an examination. It could be just like a belief system from our family or our religious institution that tells us that sex is bad and it equals pregnancy and or death or something quite bad. Or, even just like having confusion around our sexuality, or whether we're, not heterosexual, and how to be with that. So all sorts of, stuff that can actually create a lot of tension and stress for us in our sexualities. So I think, also something as simple as being privy to stuff that is also kind of not appropriate. So maybe like finding dad's porn collection or mum's toy cupboard, or just sort of inappropriate stuff that's not okay for children and confuses children. So, I think as we grow up, we've got sexual defenses and beliefs and patterns, and we notice sometimes, as grown-ups, shut down, dissociation, maybe moving a lot towards fantasy, low libido, lack of sexual energy, not feeling, so maybe some numbness, difficulty with erection or even orgasm, and more. So for many of us, we begin to kind of become disinterested in intimacy. We feel uncomfortable being close to others. We feel shut down from sexual feeling. We also disconnect from like this essential self that's really powerful and beautiful. So through the years of working with sexuality, its shadows and its awakenings, which we'll discuss in another video later down the line, I finally found a tool that really works in a beautiful, loving, compassionate, and safe way, for men and for women, to move away from sexual shame and move towards sexual freedom and safe expression in the sexual arena. So I love the somatic expression, the somatic mechanism that can assist us towards moving into that state. In my next little video, I'm going to discuss a little bit more about how TRE works in releasing tension, contraction, and tightness from the pelvic bowl, and also the importance of the psoas muscles, the fight, flight, freeze muscles in this region, and how they also can impact some sexual dysfunction. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Ciao.